Hi guys, this is part 2 of ActivePresenter Frequently Asked Questions. For those who do not know where to raise questions and seek for support from our internal team, here are some places for you to visit. Community, where users can freely ask questions and exchange information publicly. All you need to do is to sign up with your email, a username and a password, or automatically sign in with the options here. Done, you have successfully joined our community. Or you can email us at support@atomisystem.com for more private questions and requests. And don't forget to keep updated with the latest information from us by following all of our platforms here. Now, let's move to our first question in the list I have sorted out for today's video. Question number 1. How can I deactivate the license on my old computer so I can reactivate it on the new one? This is in fact a frequent request that we receive from our users. So sometimes the case might be the user has lost access to their old computer, or the person who's in charge of the ActivePresenter license has retired, or the user just simply wants to use ActivePresenter license on a more equipped device. So all you need to do first is to save your product key to activate it again. Check the license serial number by going to the Help tab, then About. Then there are some solutions for you here. If you can still get access to your old computer, directly deactivate the license on this computer by clicking the username on the top right corner here, then choose Deactivate Products. But if you no longer have access to the old computer where the license is being activated, remotely deactivate the license and manage all your license activations on any computer by using the portal at this address. Question number 2. What browsers, operating systems, and devices is ActivePresenter compatible with? ActivePresenter is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. With version 9, the supported operating systems are 8.1, 10 and 11 for Windows, but only 64-bit is supported, and 10.15, 11 and 12 for Mac OS. If your operating system is none of those above, you can consider using version 8 or other version downloads here. However, my advice for you guys is to keep updated with the latest version so we can support you the best. Besides, if you are looking for other system requirements, for example, hardware requirements and software requirements, you can get access to this site here. We have listed all requirements for each case, so your possible answer might be there. Question number 3. List all languages ActivePresenter supports. For this question, we officially support these user interface languages: Dutch, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Vietnamese, Chinese Tradition, and Chinese Simplified. Besides, you can localize projects to other languages that you want. So check out this tutorial to learn how to change your project from one language to another. And the player language can also be converted to fit your viewer's mother tongue. So check out this video here to customize your HTML5 player language.
In the General tab of the pop-up dialog, refer to the Project Language section. ActivePresenter provides you a lot of supported languages to choose from.
The final question in our today's video. Please list the file types that can be uploaded during content creation. So with this question, I will list all the file types that you can import and export while working with your project in ActivePresenter. For the input formats, we have PowerPoint, image, YouTube video, web object, 3D model, closed caption, audio, video, and question. And for the output formats, we have document, image, closed caption, audio, video, and HTML5, SCORM, and XAPI package. You can see with these versatile input and output formats, It is very easy and convenient for you to work with a project of various file types. That's all for today's video. What else do you want to know about ActivePresenter? Get in touch with us now. And for those who do not know what ActivePresenter is, we have a whole playlist here. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful e-learning, screencasting, and editing tips. Goodbye!